guys, Mrs. G back again with some more Phase 4 Gimme 5. Let's practice using our phoneme fingers to become superb at sounding words out. Here we go. Our first sound is sp, sp. Let's sound the word sport out together. Sp, or, t, sport. Sp, or, t, sport. Did you spell that one correctly? Now if you are joining in at home and you need more thinking time, you know you can pause the video whenever you need to. Okay, this lady's got lots and lots of gifts, hasn't she? Wouldn't it be nice to spoil our friends? Let's flex our phoneme fingers and sound the word spoil out. Sp, oi, ul, spoil. Sp, oi, ul, spoil. Did you get that one right? Fantastic, well done. What about spell? Sp, e, ul. Digraph, double L. Sp, e, ul. How did you do with that one? Could you spell? Well done if you could, fantastic. What about splash? Let's slow down and sound this word out properly so we don't miss any sounds out. Off we go. Sp, ul, a, sh. Sp, ul, a, sh. Splash. Well done, fantastic. What about spring? The time of the year when the flowers all grow and baby animals are born. Sp, I, ng. Spring. Sp, I, ng. Spring. How did you do with that one? Fantastic. Okay, moving on to a different sound now. Sn, snail. Let's sound this word out together. Sn, a, ul, snail. Sn, a, ul, snail. Well done if you spelt that one right. Off he goes. What about snack? Sn, a, k. Sound it out with Mrs. G. Sn, a, k. Did you have your best try at showing me all the sounds in that word? Well done if you did. Fantastic. What about sniff? Let's sound that one out together. Sn, I, f. Sniff. Sn, I, f. Sniff. Double F. Well done. Fantastic sounding out. What about snow? Sn, o. Sn, o. Now you might not have chosen the right phoneme for the O sound, but as long as you heard O and showed me, I know you're doing what I've asked you to do, and that's to sound out. Don't expect anyone to be perfect. We're all learning to spell here. Let's do this next one together. Sneeze. Let's flex your phoneme fingers. Let's sound this word out together. Sn, e, z. Pay attention to the z. It's a digraph. It's a Z and another letter that doesn't talk, but it does go on the end of this letter. Let's have a look together. Sn, e, z. Sneeze. Did you see that cheeky E at the end of the Z? Now, if you missed the E off but got nearly all of that word right, you have done exactly what I'm looking for. Fantastic. Okay, we're on to a different phoneme now. S and an M together. Sm. This lady's wearing a dress, but another word for a dress is smuck. Let's sound this out together. Sm, o, k. Smock. Sm, o, k. Did you spot the digraph line? Smuck. Well done, guys. Fantastic. What about smell? Let's flex our phoneme fingers and sound this one out together. Sm, e, ul. Smell. Sm, e, ul. Smell. Fantastic. Well done. What about smash? Sm, a, sh. Smash. Sm, a, sh. Smash. Hope he doesn't smash the computer. Okay. Oh, we are all smart. It's another word for clever, isn't it? Let's flex our phoneme fingers and sound the word smart out together. Sm, art, smart. Smart, smart. Were you smart enough to get smart? What about this one? The lady looks like she's going to smack the man. Oh dear. Smack, smack. Smack, smack. Did you get that one? Well done if you did. Fantastic. Moving on to another sound now. Sl. That is a picture of a slug. Let's sound slug out together. Slug. You ready to show me how to spell that word? Slug. Did you hear all the sounds in that word? Well done if you did. Fantastic. What about sloth? Very cute sloth. Let's sound this out together. Sloth. 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 Well done if you got that one right. Fantastic. What about sleep? Sleep. 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 Did you get that one? Well done if you did. Fantastic spelling. Uh-oh, the girl is about to slip. Let's sound this one out together. Slip. 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 Uh-oh, she slipped right off the page. Okay. Oh, some people say the tortoise is very slow. How do we spell slow? Flex your phoneme fingers. Let me hear you say it. Slow. If you remember how to spell snow, slow has the same phoneme at the end. Slow. Slow. Well done for having a go at that one. Fantastic. Okay, our last sound for today's Gimme 5 is sk. The boy is going to ask a question. Let's sound that word out together. Ask. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Oh, look at this lovely flask. It might have some hot chocolate or hot tea in it. Let's sound that word out together. Ask. Flask. Pause the video if you need more thinking time. Ask. Flask. Did you get that one right? Well done. Super sounding out. I love it. What about whisk? Listen very carefully to the beginning sound. Sk. Whisk. 2 letters making the wh sound that you will have learned in year 1. Don't worry if you've forgotten, this is the point of these videos. Mrs. G's here to help you. Sk. Whisk. Well done if you got most of that word. I love that you're hearing all of these sounds. Well done. Okay, next one. Can you see the elephant's tusk? Let's flex our phoneme fingers and sound this word out together. Sk. Tusk. Sk. Tusk. Well done, guys. Fantastic. Last one of this set. Skirt. Let's sound this one out together. Skirt. 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 Again, don't worry if you didn't remember it was bird, girl, Mrs. G is here to help you. Keep coming back and paying me visits and you're going to be a super speller in no time. Leave me a like if you'll be seeing me next time. Bye for now.